What are you doing when it comes to email marketing? Probably not much, am I right? You may be doing social media, you may be doing the Instagram, the Facebook, the LinkedIn, you may be doing SEO, but I guarantee the one thing that you're not spending enough time on is email. I believe that email is the best form of marketing. My name is Mark Simpson and I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence when it comes to getting your direct bookings. And in this video, I'm gonna give you my top 3 tips when it comes to maximizing your email marketing strategy. Tip number 1, don't send pure sales emails. They are the best way of heading straight to the bin or the spam folder. Tip number 2 is to tell a story. People buy from people. And if you can tell a story, whether it is what's happening in your personal, your business, whether it's a guest experience, it's going to be the best way of having that person who's reading that email stick around to the bottom and want to find out more about you or your business. And tip number 3 is be consistent. This is the biggest problem that I see with hosts when it comes with emails. They'll start off by sending 1 email a month and they'll be super excited, and then all of a sudden they won't send anything for a year. You've got to stay present and you've got to stay at top of the email when it comes to your future potential guest, because if you don't, they'll forget about you. And if they can't remember you, they can never book with you. If this sounds good, but you don't know where to begin, then we have got the perfect solution for you. We have worked with expert copywriters in our industry to create email templates that you can copy, paste, personalize and send. Click on the link in the description and you can start to turn lookers into bookers with Boostly Content Creator.